The pen wrap with the Groupie symbol on it is specifically made for this MakerFlo barrel, so I'm going to show you how to apply it and how to seal it with UV resin. First thing you want to do is unpeel it from the backing about a third of the way down and give it a little bit of a crease. That way it's easy to apply it to the pencil barrel. Line it up the best you can to make it as straight as you can. And once you feel like it's nice and straight and that it matches all the way around the barrel, go ahead and move with your thumbs as you unroll it from the back and just roll it onto the pen while you're sticking it. That way there aren't any bubbles at all. We don't want any bubbles or any creases, so if you just lightly roll it from the middle to the edges all the way around, it will adhere to the other side and it will be perfect. So let's go ahead and seal this pen wrap down. So I'm putting my nitrile finger cut over my nitrile glove, and I'm going to apply a thin line of skim coat down the pen wrap, and then start to coat your pen evenly from top to bottom by running your finger cut up and down. Once you feel like you have a really nice thin layer all the way around, just check it under the light. Make sure you don't see any dust or glitter or any particles just lingering around. And then we're going to go ahead and cure this for about 2 minutes. If you feel like it's still a little bit tacky when you take it out, cure it for another 2 minutes, but then please let it rest for a little bit because it will continue to harden up outside of the lamp. And then you're left with this adorable pencil barrel you can swap out with your glow-in-the-dark.